Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to connect Logitech MX Ergo to two computers. So as you guys see, I'm already on the Logitech Options app, and all you need to do is just go into the Flow tab, and as you see, you can click how to set up, and then you can actually see you can connect your mouse to two computers by installing on two of those computers the Logitech Options app, then switching the button, this button, clicking to the two. As you see, there's a little flash right here on the 2 number, and then once you connect your device, you should be ready, so you can have your Flow enabled. You can quickly copy everything, images and files between the two of those computers. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.